What is array? Array is a collection of items, same data type, stored at continuous memory location. An array can be declared if it is data type and identifier and its size is known. So that is how we can. Now let's go and see how we can write this in codes. So to revise everything, what is array? Array is a linear data structure that is a collection of similar data types. Array are stored in continuous memory locations. It is a static data structure with a fixed size. It combines data of similar types. So let's make an array of data type of int. So first we write the type, which is int, and say array. Let's say r is, and the size is, let's say 2. And this is how we assign it to a value. We can say we put it between two brackets and we write like this. So this array has two index, and this is 2 and this is 3. And it is important that when we want to access that array, this is the 0 index and this is the first index. We will see how it is. So let's say D and D, and then first element 0 index, and we say R. We can have here new line, index first element. Okay. We can say here 0 array 1. Now let's try to run this. Yep. Okay. Now as you can see, first element 0 index, at 0 index is 2. Second index 1 is 3. And this makes our life easier, because when we have a larger data of same type, we can just use array if we know the size. If we don't know the size, then we have to use other data structure. This is a disadvantage of array, but the advantage is that we can directly access and index of that array. So this is the same thing as we have said, int x, int y, but if we have like hundreds of these values and we want to make hundreds of variables, it's just gonna take forever. So that's why we use arrays. And if you want to make sure of the size of the array, we can just use size of and we can just write it like this: printf d is the size. Of course, you have to write it in a new line. Is the size of array, and then you can write size of our array, and let's run this. So as we can see, we know that every int variable has 4 bytes. Now we have array of 2 index, so that is 8 bytes. And yeah, this is how we write it, and this is how we assign it to a value. We could also say like this. So if we are assigning it first with a value, then it is known that it has only this much. And if we try to run this, it will still work. And then we can just do this. The first index is equals to 2. Then we have to write one index is equal to 6. So if we try to run this, then this is the problem. So we get 2 and 6. So yeah, this is just arrays. We can have double as well. We just try to move this, and we say double array again, and we can have size of 2 equals to 9 point, I don't know, something, and then something, and you have to use LF here, F here, and we can also see the size. As you can see, we get 16. We take 2 index of double, which is 8 bytes every double, so that makes it 16. And you can see how we access it. This is all about the arrays. Thank you for watching.